Hello lovely viewers, I hope you're all well. In today's video we are going to make a super powerful healing herbal honey using two really important antifungal, antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory elements. So first of all, we will be using our lovely spruce tips here, our wild spruce tips that have been collected freshly from the spruce tree. We have talked about the benefits of spruce tips in many of our previous videos, and they have just only a short amount of time for the harvest period, so I made sure that I collected a couple cups worth of spruce tips to make in different healing recipes to be consumed throughout the cold autumn and long dark wintry months here in Finland. So first of all, we will be using some fresh spruce tips as well as some cold pressed honey, and then we will also be using some fresh wild oregano that is very potent, very anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. We will be using that in our mix as well. So first of all, we have only, let's say, about a tablespoon worth of fresh oregano. Then we have around half a cup of the wild spruce tips. Then we have some honey to add. So I've included the video in the TikTok channel, but I will upload it right here for you guys to watch. I hope you enjoy it. Now you need to let the honey infuse for about 6 weeks in a dark and warm place away from the sunlight, so it doesn't lose any of its benefits. So allow that to infuse for about 4 to 6 weeks, and then start by straining, storing in some sterilized glass jars with a lid on, again in away from the sunlight in a dark warm place, and then consume around 1 teaspoon 2 times per day. It really helps with any onset of colds and flus. It also helps with fever. It helps with boosting the immunity. Another thing I've seen people add to the herbal honey, besides oregano, the wild oregano, if you do not have it, they also add some peppermint. Peppermint is really good when it comes to mucus, when it comes to the flu fighting ingredient. Peppermint is the way to go, and because we will be using some fresh ingredients here, it's best to opt for the fresh peppermint. Another thing you can also add is some ginger, but we're going to keep it really simple here, and we are only going to use the fresh oregano as well as the fresh spruce. So let's have a look at the recipe. Hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned.